How to use CTrader for beginners. So, CTrader is a fast modern trading platform usually made for Forex and CFD trading, known for clean charts and more of those things. But basically, I'm gonna help you how to use it. So, you could start up in your web if you want, but you can always directly download it as an app. So just do that via your app store or play store, depending on what device you have. Search for CTrader and install it. Once it's done, just go ahead and open it. Of course, you'll be greeted to something like this where you can create your CTrader ID. So put in a valid email, one that is secure, of course, and then a password. So the password must include both numbers and Latin letters, and the minimum number of characters is 7. So just go ahead and do all that before anything else. Once you go ahead and create an account, it's gonna directly open up the base or your own dashboard. So you're gonna have to accept this little thing first, of course. You can look at its details if you want, but here you'll be able to see directly the watch list, positions, orders, price alerts that you have, histories, and your transaction. So you can always go ahead and try learning the CTrader interface. So here you will be able to see all available trading pairs like Forex, metals, indices, crypto, and those kinds of things. You can even customize this if you want. You can do a read-only watch list and try entering your watch list name over here. Over here, basically, it will duplicate the watch list. You can edit it as well. So the popular markets watch list is read only and cannot be modified. So just go ahead and add it here if you want to modify that specific watch list. Now, once you pretty much just started up, it's most likely going to be a demo account that you've opened. Once you look at the top left corner, you'll be able to see more information. As you can see, it's your demo. You can deposit or withdraw, and most importantly, place new order. It is best to practice your copy trading since this is one of the most beginner friendly platform, especially this year. It has a clean UI, fast execution, basically a drag and drop control, which makes it easy even for first time traders. So if you start with a demo, you can try using SL or TP. You can understand the lot size, which will give you a safer and smoother experience. So just go ahead and explore directly in the app itself or in the website, most of its features. But for the main tips, just start with around your first pair, of course, or two pairs, depending on you if you're comfortable with that. Avoid overtrading as well. And as we mentioned, use LSL or TP, especially for beginners. Stick to one strategy since you're still learning. See if it works for you, what is comfortable for you, what you prefer, and always practice on a demo first. And most importantly, don't just follow random signals you can find online. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.